Hello students, welcome to our RPIT channel. I'm Dr. Komal Singh, working as an assistant professor and Department of Pharmacy from RPIT Medical and Technical Campus. So we will discuss about the topic pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is also known as drug safety or a medicine safety. This is a simple definition or a quote given by a Molière. To undergo treatment, you have to be very healthy because apart from your sickness, you have to withstand the medicine. Pharmacovigilance is derived from two Greek words that is pharmakon and vigilier. Pharmakon means drug safety and vigilier means to keep watch. According to WHO, the definition of pharmacovigilance is defined as the science and activities related to the detection and assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse drug reactions or any other possible drug related problems. Product covered by pharmacovigilance, medicines, herbal, traditionals, biological, vaccines, blood products, and medical devices. Aim of pharmacovigilance. It improves patient care and safety in relation to use of medicines in medical and paramedical interventions, including vaccinations. It improves public health and safety. It contributes to assessment of benefit, harm, effectiveness, and risk of medicines. It encourages safe and rational and effective use of medicines. It promotes understanding, education, and clinical training in pharmacovigilance and effective communication of its surveillance role to the public. This is the scope of pharmacovigilance: adverse drug reaction, medication error, counterfeit medicines, abuse and misuse of medicines, lack of efficacy, and interactions of medicines. So, this is a simple scope of pharmacovigilance. Why is pharmacovigilance required? Pre-marketing safety data and post-marketing topics. In pre-marketing safety data, animal experiment for clinical trials. In post-marketing topics, unexpected adverse reactions, interactions, risk factors, quality of life, long-term efficacy, and cost assessment. Goals of pharmacovigilance. It is derived in two terms: short term goals and long term goals. According to short term goals, it develop and implement pharmacovigilance system, enroll all MCI approval medical college to encourage healthcare professionals in reporting of adverse reactions, collection of case report and data, and according to long term goals, it expand the pharmacovigilance program to all hospitals and centers of public health programs. It developed and implement electronic reporting system. It developed reporting culture to make ADR reporting mandatory. This is the objective of pharmacovigilance. Center of Excellence nationwide system identify new signals, benefit risk ratio, evidence based information on medicine safety. It support regulatory agencies, communicate safety informations, collaborate with other centers, and training and consultancy. So, this is the objective of pharmacovigilance. Medicines are supposed to save lives, economic impacts, promoting rational use of medicine and adherence, and ensuring public confidence, ethics to know the something that is harmful to another person who doesn't know and no telling is unethical. Pharmacovigilance Program of India or PVPI. It is launched with the broad objective to safeguard the health of people of India. The SEDISCO initiated a nationwide pharmacovigilance program under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in 2010 with aims at National Coordinating Center, that is NCC, for monitoring ADR. So this is the program is launched for to detect the ADR and also reporting. And adverse drug reactions are reported for all over the country to NCC to PVPI. It works in collaborations with the Global ADR Monitoring Centers, that is UMC, Sweden, in contributing the Global ADR database. And NCC PVPI monitors the ADR among Indian populations and help the Regulatory Authority of India, that is SEDESCO, in taking decisions for safe use of medicines. Mission of pharmacovigilance. to safeguard the health of Indian population by ensuring that the benefit of use of medicine outweigh the risk associated with its use. Vision to improve patient safety and welfare in Indian populations by monitoring the drug safety and thereby reducing the risk associated with use of medicine. Organizations involved in PVPI, the Central Drug Standard Control Organization headquartered, that is CDSCO, Indian Pharmacopoeia Commissions, WHO Collaborating Center for International Drug Monitoring, the Uppsala Monitoring Center, that is UMC, and WHO Country Office for India, National Institute of Biologicals, AEFI surveillance, and participations of nursing professionals. This is a pharmacovigilance plan to monitor the occurrence of known risks post approval, identify new and unknown risks and were not apparent in clinical development, gain understanding of real world use versus clinical study, further inform and characterize the safety profile of the medicine. Thank you.